Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open Google Maps and sign in. Tap the blue dot or your profile, then choose Share Your Location so the feature appears immediately. Grant precise location permission when prompted. This ensures accuracy. Next, pick how long to share, choose a fixed time or until you turn this off for continuous tracking. Once done, select Contacts or copy a link to send. This gets you past setup and into active sharing without extra waiting or toggles. Now pick who sees your live location. Tap a contact for direct sharing with Google Accounts or use Copy Link to paste into any chat. This matters because links can be opened without a Google login. Make sure you choose an appropriate visibility duration and double-check the map shows the live share icon near your location. Once recipients accept, you'll see them listed. This confirms connections are active. If you need intermittent sharing, toggle off after use to stop broadcast immediately. Finish by stopping sharing when you're done. Open Share and tap Stop, then verify the sharing icon is gone. If the location jumps or delays, switch to high-accuracy GPS and device settings and confirm data or Wi-Fi is stable. Weak signals cause lag. If someone reports they can't view you, resend the link, check they updated Google Maps, and confirm their permissions. These steps close the loop and solve most common problems, so your live location works reliably next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.